we are really pumped because this is our annual New Year's tradition. We're going on a hike. Are you ready, buddy? You're in his little hiking backpack, and he's pretty pumped. You may be able to hear, but there is maybe the most gigantic waterfall I've ever seen in my life over here to the side. You can't see it through the trees.
It's really loud. You
But
can hear
dear
it.
Jesus, it's gorgeous, and I can't wait to take the kids down into the little gorge here. But man, we keep saying this is the reason we moved to Tennessee. It's because there are hundreds of these bad boys everywhere. So Reese is on a little bit of a road trip. She'll be getting back late tonight. So we're kind of sad to not be seeing her, missing her today a little bit. But
we'll do another one.
We'll do another one soon. And these kiddos, I think, are super pumped. You guys ready to go see a big old fat waterfall? Heck yeah. Let's get down there. What you say? Let's go. Buddy, are you pumped? He's like, let's go.
So I'm collecting rocks
Yeah.
to throw off the ledge.
Oh, collecting rocks to throw off the ledge.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Skip it.
To skip rocks off the waterfall. Okay. Whoa, that is so cool. That's so pretty.
Let's go down there.
You can go down there. All right, guys, come on.
So funny because last year we were like, you know what? I think the coolest thing nearby is like we'll drive 8 hours to Big Bend. And
Yeah, we
that's
drove
kinda
far
cool.
last
And now
year.
we're like, hey, we're 45 minutes away from all the things.
I know, yeah. This was less than an hour from our house.
So beautiful, gee.
You guys throwing rocks? Wow. You guys can throw really far. You gonna throw a tiny rock? Okay. Whoa. Having fun, buddy? Lincoln is just looking around like, what in the world
So
is this?
amazing.
It's so loud. The water is so
It is
loud.
really-
Really cool. So cool. Be so careful. Hey, Lincoln.
He's like, I saw you pull that bar out
Yeah.
of the bag.
Like-
Give me that snack.
He's like, we've been here for about 10 minutes. It's time for a snack.
It's been about 10 minutes since my last snack.
Oh, is that good? He's like, now we can go explore. All right, you're set, buddy.
Trick of the day, snack for the road.
Yeah, have fun. You're good to go now. There's the kids way out there exploring. And Steven's going down with Linky, and Miss Penelope and I are gonna go down now. You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it. So cool.
It's cooler than the one that we saw at Didi.
Yeah, this one is my favorite one so far here. Do you like it, Ethan?
Yeah, it's really fun.
It is fun.
All the way over there.
You can go over there. Daddy's all the way over there. Let's go find him. Thank you.
Cool, buddy.
You can literally feel the mist coming off of the falls. Oh, it's so pretty. Throwing rocks, and Steven and Jude and Ethan are way over there taking some photos and getting up real close. It's so beautiful. Here we go. Loading back up. That's a strong daddy, huh? Say thank you, Daddy. You're so strong.
I get strong by doing stuff like this.
Who needs to go to the gym when you can just go on a hike with Lincoln?
If you do this every day, I'd be okay with it.
Yeah. I prefer workouts like this. You guys want to go get a snack? All right, let's go back. There you go. Good job. There's Kira and Penelope up there. Hey, girls. That is the perfect place for sitting down.
It says 2021.
It says 2021?
Yeah.
Cool. 2021.
New year.
It's a new year with endless possibilities. There goes Daddy. Daddy and Lincoln are coming over here too. Daddy's got to be a little bit more slow and careful. Oh, this is the door? Thank you. Oh, Daddy's not going through the door. I don't know if Daddy would fit through this door with Lincoln on his back. You want to eat some of these, Lincoln? Yeah, okay. Daddy brought some healthy snacks too. He's been working awesome. Yeah. You want all the snacks, Lincoln?
Oh, first try. First try.
Yeah, that's a good one too. Thank you. What would we do without our snacks, guys?
We'd be in trouble.
We would be in trouble without snacks for Lincoln. Steven's got his protein shake over here.
Boiled eggs and a protein shake.
That's awesome.
Get the protein in. Can you imagine this place in like the fall?
I know, we gotta come back with
Or
every
the
season.
spring?
I know.
We're gonna come back every season.
So I think this is definitely our favorite hike that we've been on in Tennessee so far. And I know that there's a million of them, but this one is just so beautiful. And I definitely want to come back in the spring and the summer and the fall and just kind of experience it in each season. You feeding Daddy? Oh, that's so nice you want to share.
There you go. Big hiker boy.
Good job, Lincoln.
He's hiking.
You got it. Hike into some flatter ground. He was picking up his feet so big. It's so cute. Yeah. Good job. Look at you hiking. Good job. He keeps looking back like, Mom, do you see that I'm doing this?
Ah, it's so beautiful.
So beautiful. It's definitely our favorite hike that we've done so far in Tennessee. We're gonna have to come back in the spring, in the summer, and the fall. This is I think this is your favorite too, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Hey, you boys want to come
She kept
camping
saying-
here?
Oh,
I'd love to.
Let's go camping.
it's a great idea.
We got the tent. We're ready to go.
Yeah, I saw some sites that said like camping areas and stuff. So it would be really fun to come back here when it's not quite so chilly
Heck,
and do some camping. That would be so fun.
no RV, just tents.
I'm more of an RV kind of girl. He loves
My man's like,
camping
if
and
that
tents.
tent has a Hilton on it.
No, I definitely prefer glamping to camping, but you know, camping's fun too. So we'll do some of that as well. Bye. Good job. Here you go. Good job. Oh, that's some hard work. Oh, he's so tired at the end, baby. Yay! Woohoo! You did it! Let's clean those hands off now.
See this one?
There we go. Yeah! We did it! We were hiking! It was so much fun!
So much fun.
You guys are are so strong and brave.
You guys so strong.
Are you guys repeating me?
Is there echo in here?
Is there an echo? We definitely missed Reese though. We're gonna go home and she is probably gonna be getting home maybe before us, but it's been a few days that she has been on a road trip with her friend. And so we're excited to have her back for sure. And we'll do another hiking thing soon where she can join us.
Next year.
Yeah, next year.
2025.
No, we're not gonna wait that long. When you have to park on the side of the road, we climb in the back.
Back door comes in handy.
Yeah, it does. Lincoln's going in the back too. Oh, that's funny. Hey Jude, help him in. Here we go. Y'all help him get into his car seat. So we found the coolest little ice cream shop on the way home here. It's like
cool.
made out of like a trolley. And it looks so cool. So the kids are gonna have a little bit of ice cream before we head home. But this is so fun.
It's amazing. It's super cool. We saw it on the way in. It said, ice cream, you scream, we all scream for Trolley Stop ice cream. And we're like, we're stopping for Trolley Stop ice cream.
Definitely gonna stop with it. Look at all of these yummy flavors.
There's a flavor called blackberry cobbler.
Blackberry cobbler. That sounds. I'm definitely gonna try that one.
Blackberry cobbler.
Right there. Look at how cute this little tablecloth is. Got little Santas and elves. That is so cute.
Aww, she's home. I miss you so much.
We missed our Reese.
All right, guys, we are home from the old New Year's Day hike, and Reese Peace is here, obviously, and we missed her greatly. And this is sort of a glimpse for me. Today was kind of sad because, like, it was our first big family thing where she wasn't really with us, and I was like, but that's gonna kind of be what it's like in like the next couple of years, because she's gonna move out, and like
We've decided she doesn't
I'm
get
not ready
until
for
she's 25, so you know there's that.
So we're gonna hang up and hang out because we missed her a lot, and but we will see you guys next time. We love you guys. Bye.
Say bye.
You wanna say bye? Where are you going? His lips are so...
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you. God, for your name's sake, you will lead me back